these? That's the remnants of my coffee pot. I tend to buy really inexpensive coffee pots and coffee makers because, number one, I don't want to have any digital stuff on it. I don't need a clock on it, and you know, for it to just use electricity to tell me the time all the time. I don't need a automatic timer starter kind of thing because I like to drink my coffee cold most of the time. So I just make it and then I let it cool down. It doesn't have to be ready first thing in the morning when I get up because I just pull it out of the refrigerator and pour it into my cup. Anyway, the cheap coffee makers, at least the pot itself, tends to not last me very long. Usually if I get a year, I'm lucky. So I purchased something new that I'm going to give a try because I need it to be a little bit more indestructible. So this is a percolator, and I'm going to give that a try and see how I like the coffee that is made in there. First of all, I can use it without electricity, so if the power goes out, I can still have coffee. Second of all, it's stainless steel.
Whoa.
Okay. Pretty basic. Yes, I could also use a French press. I have used one of those. They don't usually come in such big sizes, and that's probably about the only reason that I'm opting not to use a French press. I'm just gonna give this a try for now.
What's this for?
I gotta remember how to use this. I think you put your coffee grounds in here, and you pour your water through that.
Do you?
I don't remember. Have to look up some instructions. But at least I won't be going without coffee. Make a mess on the stove. Gotta get it cleaned up. Going on a field trip today. You guys ready to go?
Yes!
How about in the back?
Yep.
Yep, ready to go.
Yep.
All right.
But turn on the hot air condition.
It is.
The hot air condition. That's called the heat.
It's on hot. The high back here is
Okay, well, it helps if you turn the car on.
high.
Then it'll be warm. So we are checking out the Museum of York County today.
This is our film museum. We used to always go here once per week.
Big old. I guess that's supposed to be kind of like a saber tooth
What a
tiger.
mammoth!
No, that's not a woolly mammoth. That's
A saber-toothed tiger.
it might be a saber tooth tiger. I don't think it's as big as one, but
Saber-toothed cat.
oh, saber. Here, Dominic.
Saber-toothed.
Amelia found it.
Saber-toothed tiger.
Well, why don't you read it?
It's a saber-toothed cat.
Saber-toothed cat. Good. All right, let's go see. Oh, here. The ancient world is like an unfinished jigsaw puzzle. Each fossil is a new piece revealing more of the picture, but so much remains to be discovered. So this here is called a terror bird. And so you can see how, or get an idea of how big it is when you see Damien and Isaac standing beside it. But you can see its leg, and I think this is really cool, at least the way they made it. It's very similar. Excuse me, Damien. It has a very similar foot to a chicken foot. And if I can zoom in enough, you can see how scaly the leg is too, just like a chicken foot or leg. The nails on the end are very similar too.
Oh, I knew it.
Look at that thing. Terror bird.
Show it to the rest of his spawn. No, they say his feet is like a shape of a chicken's feet.
I just said that.
But then how do they get that up there? Those two up there.
I really don't know. I don't know how they do all this.
Oh, I think some of it. Mama, let's go to this, isn't it?
Who's in the cave? There's Damien. In the cave. And we've got a giant ground sloth. I don't remember what that thing was. Caribou. And a mammoth. Colombian mammoth. It's a peccary. Sorry, walked right your way.
Okay, that's
You're done. Did you see the mammoth footprint?
what mammoth footprint?
It's over there. See if you can find it over there.
I did it.
It's right.
I came over here,
Look, one of their feet is huge compared to your foot.
3 times bigger. 1, 4 times bigger.
Let's go to another exhibit.
Yeah. You're like half. I'm at 4'4". You're new past 4 foot.
And then there's the mastodon. What the mastodon?
That means you're almost on here.
No!
Barry's about here. Yeah, I know.
I'm not.
Okay, let's see. Yep.
I'm taller than 5 foot.
You're taller than 5 foot, but you're not as tall as a baby giraffe when
Ryan
it's born.
is.
Here, let's see if I am.
Well, you're not 6 foot, are you?
No, not quite.
No.
Almost. Taller than you guys.
So you're about halfway
Not
through.
quite.
You're here, Mom. 6 foot is. That's about half. Giraffe's height at birth. Okay. At birth, it's only 6 foot.
Don't put it down.
Almost 6 foot. Like right below 6 foot. Since we've done
No.
And the giraffe, that's 20 foot. All the way up there. Alright. Hey Mom, this is a polar bear school.
What do you see in there, Dominic?
Don't put your face. Hey Dominic, you know what this is? You know what this is? It's a big book of dinosaurs. What I think that is? Yes, it's a big book of dinosaurs.
So,
Classroom, Mom.
those are really cool, these rocks.
It also has the human body. Yes.
Mom, look at these things. Oh no, it's staring at me.
What's staring at you?
It's staring at me.
Ooh, that's some kind of little owl.
Staring at me.
Let's see. Let's see what it is.
What?
A screech owl. That's a screech owl.
It's kind of scary.
They're not very big, are they?
Nope. Yeah. 1, 2.
Dinosaurs. Isaac walked right in front of the video camera.
Sorry.
Guys, y'all wanted to come in here and play. Go play.
She wanted to. Claire wanted to. We're hungry. Yeah. For hot food.
I have sandwiches in the car. Buddy.
How lazy you?
This was everything.
No, Mom, remember that stroller? The two-seated one that you gave to some person? That
Very good.
she bought it. She's pregnant with twins.
I can't keep up with you.
Not how you go.
We have a burning grant. What's it called? Mother Goose book.
Well, we had. I don't know.
No, I still have it.
Oh, there's a storm approaching. Let take that.
What you got there?
Eggs.
Eggs. All right. Do you want to put them down over here where the cartons are, or are you just going to put them all on the counter?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead.
The key is to put them down gentle.
Yes, the key is to put them down gently. It's not fun when they break in your shirt.
No way. Hold on. Or if they break in your pocket.
Yeah.
Will help.
A little help. Let's see.
No, like putting.
Where's the pot?
Okay. Please.
And that can help you. She's standing right there.
Do you call this clean? Oh my gosh. Clean or dirty?
That one looks pretty good.
Clean or dirty?
That one looks pretty good.
Oh,
Gross is what we put into the pot.
gross. Put them in the pot, okay? Oh, that's gross.
Yeah, go ahead and put that one in the pot.
Is this the gross?
Yes, that one is.
Is this one gross?
Hey, can we do that?
Yep.
Can we?
If it's got chunky stuff all over it, put it in the pot.
Can
Is this
we do the
gross?
cows? The cow,
Mom, is this
Bambi?
gross?
Yes. Okay.
Is this gross?
Actually, I kind of do want
It's not too bad.
So just leave it out.
All right, don't. I'm gonna let you figure it out.